Hi everyone, welcome to today's IT Ctech Flip Learning task. Today we'll be looking at understanding cybersecurity vulnerabilities and attacks. This topic is part of the OCR Ctech Level 3, Unit 3 Cybersecurity Unit, and it's an important area in Learning Objective 3. First, let's define vulnerability. A vulnerability in cybersecurity is a weakness in a host or system, such as a missed software update or system misconfiguration that can be exploited by cyber criminals to compromise an IT resource and advance the attack pathway. Every computer system and network is prone to attacks and susceptible to varied vulnerabilities. Laws such as the DPA and GDPR, with its accompanying demands to ensure that data and information are kept securely, makes it crucial to identify potential vulnerabilities that can expose a computer system and network to cyber attacks. These vulnerabilities may be politically, socially, economically, or environmentally driven or motivated. Invariably, these vulnerabilities become the target of diverse cyber attackers who exploit the network, and they normally have diverse characteristics and motivations for the attack. The image below sums up some of the motivations and characteristics of cyber attackers and what drives them to exploit potential vulnerabilities in computer systems and networks. These, among others, will be what we'll be looking at in this activity. So looking at the diagram, motivations, taxonomy, you will see various motivations listed there and the characteristics of those motivations or attackers. I would like you to use this to complete the flip activity on the next slide. Your flip learning task is to research 5 different types of attackers that can exploit potential vulnerabilities in a computer system or network. Using a PowerPoint presentation with a slide for each attacker, I want you to compare and contrast the differences and similarities between the characteristics and motivations of these attackers. In your study or presentation, I need you to explain in detail the unique characteristics of each attacker, their motivation for exploiting the vulnerability, the impact of the attack on the individual, and the impact of the attack on the organization. For example, what are some of the characteristics of a script kiddie? What is the motivation of a hacktivist? Take each attacker and enumerate their motivation and their characteristics in much detail on each slide. I hope you have found today's topic useful and understand the concept of cybersecurity vulnerabilities and attacks. We look forward to seeing your final outcomes, your presentation, when you are back in the classroom. Thank you.